What if you had a sales rep who never sleeps, never calls in sick, and follows up with every single lead automatically? That's exactly what an AI sales agent does. And today, I'm going to show you how to build one for your small business. No coding required. Let's go. What is an AI sales agent? An AI sales agent is a system that handles repetitive sales tasks on your behalf. Things like responding to new leads instantly, qualifying prospects with smart questions, sending follow-up emails, booking calls directly to your calendar. Think of it as a virtual SDR, a sales development rep, running 24/7 in the background. And the good news? You don't need a dev team. You just need the right tools. The 3 tools you need. Here's the simple tech stack I recommend. Tool number 1, an AI brain, Claude or ChatGPT. This powers the conversations. You give it a personality, your business context, and instructions on how to handle leads. Tool number 2, an automation layer, Make or Zapier. This is the glue. It connects your AI to your email, CRM, calendar, and forms. No code needed. Tool number 3, a front door, Typeform, your website form, or even Instagram DMs. This is where leads enter the system. When someone fills out a form or sends a message, the agent kicks in. How to set it up? Step by step. Step 1. Write your AI's sales playbook. Open Claude or ChatGPT and write a system prompt. Tell it who you are, what you sell, what a good lead looks like, and how to respond. Be specific. The more context you give it, the smarter it acts. You are a friendly sales assistant for your business. When someone reaches out, ask for their name, what they need, and their budget. If they're a good fit, invite them to book a call. Step 2. Connect your lead source. Go to Make or Zapier. Create a new automation that triggers when a new lead comes in. From your website form, Google form, Facebook lead ad, whatever you use. Step 3. Add the AI step. In Make or Zapier, add an action that sends the lead's details to your AI via the API and returns a personalized reply. Step 4. Send the response. Route that AI-generated message to your email or SMS tool. The lead gets a smart personalized reply within seconds of reaching out. Step 5. Add a follow-up sequence. Use a tool like Instantly or MailChimp to schedule 2 to 3 follow-up emails if the lead doesn't respond. Your AI can write those too. That's it. You now have a fully automated sales agent working around the clock. Pro tips. A few things I've learned building these. Keep it human. Don't let your AI sound like a robot. Give it your tone, your phrases, maybe even your name. People respond better when it feels real. Always disclose. If your AI is handling initial conversations, be transparent. Trust builds business. Review weekly. Check what the AI is saying and how leads are responding. Tweak the prompt based on what's working. Start small. Build one workflow first, just the initial reply. Then layer in follow-ups, qualification, and booking as you get comfortable. That's how you build an AI sales agent for your small business, in an afternoon with no code. You get faster responses, more consistent follow-up, and you free up your time to focus on actually closing deals. If you want the exact prompt template and make workflow I use, I've linked them below, totally free. Drop a comment if you have questions, and hit subscribe if you want more practical AI tools for growing your business. See you in the next one.